One of the most beautiful trees this time of year in the winter time is our Japanese maple. And as the name indicates, it is native to Japan and China. And it was brought to the United States and Europe in the early 1800s. Now this is a unique tree that can be used as a specimen or an accent tree in your landscape. It prefers partial shade, partial sun. If it gets too much sun, the delicate leaves can burn. And if it doesn't get enough sunlight, then it doesn't get that beautiful red, orange foliage in the fall. So consider that when you utilize this plant. Now there are hundreds of cultivars of the Japanese maple. Bloodgood is a common one, Emperor One, Coral Bark, and Tamakiyama. Those are some of them. And as the names indicate, very Japanese, right? Now, this tree does make a fruit. It's actually a seed and it's called a samara, and you'll see those in September and in October, and they're winged just like the seeds on our native maples. Now, these trees are technically shrubs but can be trained to one trunk, and they get about 10 to 15 feet in height and they spread just as wide. That's what's so interesting about this plant. It's open crown, this spreading, open, arching crown, and it just gives it a unique look. Now, of course, in the wintertime, here in the South, we get the beautiful fall foliage change. These trees can provide a lot of oranges and reds and yellows that are just so interesting this time of year before they drop their leaves in the wintertime. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.